Hi, I'm Shelly Hier. I'm a nutritionist and a mother of five. I've integrated those parts of me well, and I discovered that neither one of those are my purpose. I've been trying to figure out my purpose for a long time, and I have known Irina for several years as a friend. I haven't worked with her on a business or mentorship capacity, but I follow her work because she is full of wisdom and super inspirational. I saw that she was doing this discovery challenge, and I thought, yes, I need to do that. This will be a great way um, for me to start focusing, trying to find my purpose. And to my surprise, by day three, I have figured out my purpose very clearly and confidently, and this has eluded me for years. So, if you are looking for confidence or clarity in business, personal life, spiritual life, it's all connected, then you need to do this challenge.